Peace, family. This is EsiK the homesteader, you guys. So, okay, you guys. I had a flood in my upstairs bathroom that came into my downstairs into my kitchen, and now I have to have major construction done upstairs in the bathroom, my children's bathroom, and also in my kitchen. So EsiK is going to be out of her kitchen for a minute. I am somewhat devastated because my whole ceiling is open. My kitchen is a hot mess. And this is what it's looking like right now. I don't know if any of you guys ever been through this before, but this is what it's looking like right now. So unfortunately, we had insulation in the ceiling. So y'all know when they start tearing out insulation, it goes everywhere. So this is what my kitchen is looking like. I'm probably going to be out of my kitchen probably a week, maybe 2. They have to tear up my floor, which this is one of my projects that I had did, which is paper bag flooring, which I have loved. And this paper bag flooring is a way that you can create flooring that looks like hardwood floors. And we have so enjoyed it. I used to have white linoleum down here, which was driving me crazy. So this is why I did this. And I actually did this in my bathroom and one of my son's bathroom. And again, we totally enjoyed this project. So this is one of my DIY projects, and I'm probably going to do it again. I'm not sure what flooring they're going to replace this with. It'll probably be some type of linoleum. But I'm actually going to miss this floor, and I'm going to show you guys. So this is all my counter appliances, and over here my rack with my appliances. But I should have did more video to show y'all how this insulation can go everywhere. It's in my living room. So I'm gonna probably be cleaning for the next probably 2 weeks in here. It even flew into my refrigerator. Y'all see all that? So the inspector came out, the head man came out, and he said that they're gonna have to take up all of my flooring, and they have to take out the tub that is upstairs. So what created the flood was my handle on the toilet that stayed down and caused the whole toilet to overflow, and it was overflowing for some time. And this happened during the time that I was at Sam's shopping, so I came home to the mess. So I'm gonna take you guys upstairs so y'all can see the hot mess that is upstairs. So y'all see my whole ceiling is wide open right now. And yeah, not feeling that great, you guys. So these guys are gonna be in here working probably for the next week or 2. They were hoping to get out of here by this week. I don't think that's gonna happen. But these are the fans to dry the floor down here and also underneath the house. They went under the house, and they said there wasn't no damage with the how you call it, the installation. But according to the head man, they need to take all of this up, and they have to take the tub out. So the workers wasn't thinking they had to take the tub out, but now they have to take the tub out. So I'm gonna take you guys upstairs so you guys can see what's going on up there. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, you guys, EsiK back. All right, so now we are upstairs in my son's bathroom, and this is what it's looking like. They already tore out the linoleum, and now they're saying that the whole tub has to come out. And as you can see where the water traveled in this area, probably because it has so many gaps in the flooring. But it started with this toilet here where the handle has stayed down. So it caused the toilet to overflow. And I don't know how long it was overflowing, but one of my sons had called me in panic. And, you know, we was just glad that we were on our way back home, because he really didn't know what to do. He had bowls. I was like, no, you don't need no bowls. You need like them 10 buckets, and you need some blankets. So we had to blanket the whole bathroom in order to get that water up, to get that water stopped. And when I tell y'all, it was pouring down. So this is what it's looking like now that they pulled the linoleum up. And the head inspector said that they're gonna have to pull out this vanity because there's still linoleum underneath there, and the water could have seeped out through that way as well. So the head chief of the ServPro company that comes in and clean and, you know, gut out, dry out, and things of that nature, he was saying the vanity has to come out now, and the tub has to come out, and some of this flooring has to come out as well, especially in this area. And you can see most of the water damage here. Not so much in this area here, but which is really weird. But you know, water travels. So if you guys ever have any kind of toilet problem where that handle is staying down, don't ignore that. Please don't ignore that, because somebody could use the toilet one time and that handle stay down, you will have a flood. So that's one of the reasons why I'm sharing this video with you guys. So always just pay attention to your toilet handle. You know how back in the day they used to say, oh, shake the handle to keep it from making that noise, or to keep it from staying stuck. But the minute that you see your toilet handle staying stuck, you want to handle that real quick. Take care of it quick, because I don't want you guys to be in a situation like me. Because right now, this bathroom is out of commission and my kitchen is out of commission. And I'm hoping that they will get this done as quick as possible, but I want it done right. So I'm glad that the headman inspector came, because you know, when you deal with contractors, they try to take shortcuts and don't do a complete job. So I'm glad that the head inspector came, and he said, Ms. Martin, that tub has to come out and the vanity has to come out. Okay, so I will try. I'm so disappointed because I wanted to be in my kitchen cooking for you guys and soaping, but I'm gonna get back there, you guys. Y'all guys just be patient with me, okay? Because I have some great ideas and videos coming up real soon. So remember what I said. The minute that your toilet is acting crazy with that handle, get it fixed, okay? So I will definitely bring you guys some more footage when the job is complete, so y'all can see, you know, the finished product. But until then, this is EsiK. Thank you for tuning into my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. And thank you for your patience. Peace.